A tile installer places the ceramic on adhesive. He breaks it with a hammer to create a beautiful, unique pattern design. Aligned explosive charges detonate, lifting the earth with impressive precision. With strength and precision, the men pull the rope, then one of them throws it upward to lift the massive bell and make it ring powerfully. The driver ties a rope to the tractor step and places it under the tire to use the wheel's force to straighten the step. A man rests peacefully when suddenly the ground rises beneath him in a dramatic motion. The worker throws mortar onto the wall, then carefully smooths it out to achieve a perfectly straight and even finish. Hanging high above the ground, the workers remove the old tiles and carefully prepare the wall for a flawless new finish. This impressive machine moves along the bridge, shifting massive concrete barriers with incredible precision, without stopping traffic. Two workers apply and smooth plaster on the wall to create a perfectly smooth surface ready for painting. The man walks across a plank over the water, but it suddenly breaks and he falls with it. A worker uses a special tool to place and perfectly align the tiles on the adhesive, ensuring precise and even spacing. A worker throws mortar onto a brick wall. He gradually covers the entire surface. The cement sticks and forms a thick layer. The wall is prepared for a strong and durable finish. Pressure washer removes dirt from the concrete, revealing a clean and bright surface. The contrast between the dirty and cleaned areas is striking. A worker applies mortar between the stones using a special grout bag to fill and seal the joints. The gaps are carefully filled to strengthen and enhance the wall. The workers lower the scaffold using a pulley system. The mechanism allows a controlled and safe descent along the building. A worker uses a jackhammer to break a concrete slab. A stump grinder uses a rotating toothed wheel to grind the tree stump into chips. The machine removes the stump and leaves the ground clean and ready to be leveled. Metal objects are fed into a dual-shaft industrial shredder. The powerful rotating blades grab and tear the metal into smaller pieces. Man presents a foldable metal and wood bench in his workshop. He unfolds the articulated structure and sits on it to demonstrate its strength and stability. A worker shapes a rubber piece using a rotating grinding wheel. The machine cuts and smooths the edges precisely. Workers roll out a large geotextile membrane to cover the prepared ground. An excavator uses a hydraulic breaker to crack the pavement and remove the damaged concrete. An angle grinder cuts a precise circle into a sheet using a high-speed rotating disc. He marks the damaged area with blue spray. Then he fills the hole with soil or gravel. He compacts it to temporarily stabilize the road. Is a hydraulic machine that splits wood into several pieces using strong pressure. It makes firewood preparation easier. Worker receives bags in front of an elevator. He organizes them properly before sending them upstairs. An iron pole is slowly bending piece by piece. Pressure or heat weakens its structure. It may fall if it is not repaired quickly. Several workers detach a metal chain. They slowly release it into a hole. They work carefully to avoid any danger. The laser melts the iron to join the pipe precisely. The weld is fast, clean, and very strong. The machine uses a powerful system to lift concrete surfaces. It places them down gently to prevent damage. Is a backhoe loader with a front bucket and a rear digging arm. It is used to dig and move soil on construction sites. It is a machine called a lathe. It rotates the cylinder while a cutting tool shapes it precisely. A compass tool is used to draw a perfect circle on a ceramic surface. This helps create a clean and precise design before cutting or decorating the tile.